Hey there students, Mrs. M here again. I'm just making this quick video to introduce you to Unit 7. I'm super excited to get started with our first aid and CPR unit, and I love this unit because it's so practical. It's something that could come up and something that may even come up for a lot of us. Things that we can know ahead of time about first aid and injuries and CPR, and so I'm super excited about it. And I also really love this unit because my husband is a first responder, and so these types of things and topics and experiences are things that he deals with every single day at work. So it's awesome to see you guys learning about this, and I'm super excited to get started. So as far as this unit goes, it is pretty straightforward. We have some readings, we have some quizzes, and then we just have this one assignment, which is actually two parts to it. First of all, we're going to be making posters. Each of these posters will be like a guide, like somebody, like a doctor's office could put it up in their office, and it could be a quick guide for if somebody was choking or if they were having CPR, and somebody could grab that guide off the wall and go over it and help somebody, or if somebody didn't know how to do CPR, they could grab that poster and the poster would tell them what to do. So that's what we're going to be making. And this could be something you end up, even posting on like your fridge at home if you needed to. And so there's the two parts to it. You're going to be making two different posters, one for choking and one for CPR. And so you need to make sure and be including all of the components that we ask for here, okay? And then this is the rubric, the grading rubric, which I'm going to use to grade your assignment. So I think the one place where students tend to trip up on this are they forget to make one or the other posters, and then every once in a while a student will pick a different topic, but it should be about the first one about choking and the other one about CPR procedures. So and then the rest of it's pretty straightforward here. So you're going to be making two different posters. It needs to have visuals. It should have the age recommendations. That's another place students trip up on. Choking and helping a baby who's choking is a lot different than an adult who's choking. So make sure you point out the differences there. And then that is pretty much it. That pretty much does it for us. So that is Unit 7. Like I said, pretty straightforward except for that big assignment at the end. And then we have obviously our review and test at the end. If you have any questions, be sure and ask.